Welcome viewers and students. Welcome to my YouTube channel Kudaleshwar Smart Academy. Thanks for watching my videos and giving me encouragement. Today one important topic regarding exam I am going to discuss with you. It is Sandhi and it is a part of Ramya Sanskritam. These vowels you are knowing very well. A, I, U, Ru, Lru, A, I, O, Au. In case of some vowels, there is Sandhi. Means certain vowels are coming together, two vowels come together and one different vowel is formed. So, the same topic I am going to discuss with you. See, in case of this, A plus A. This is short or first A. Understood, no? It is not dirgha. It is not long. So, when two times short A vowel is coming, side by side we can say, understood, or together, then dirgha vowel it is A. This dirgha vowel. Understood? These two are rasva vowels, short vowels. And by the combination of these two rasva we get dirgha A. One example is given here. No plus asti. No, see last vowel no O. And asti starting vowel O. A plus A is equal to A. So the sandhi is nasti. Understood? A plus A is equal to A. One name I am telling, Mayasur. In this noun, actually two words are there, Maya and Asura. Maya plus Asura. This is a dissolution. Maya, see, Maya, last vowel A. And Asura, starting vowel O. A plus A is equal to A. So, the word is Mayasur. Understood? A plus A is equal to A. Then see here, E plus E. Here again, short vowels are there. Rasva E. Understood, no? When two rasva E are there, then finally we get dirgha E. Example is given here. Ravi plus Indra. And word is, sandhi word is Ravindra. Ravindraha. Ravi plus Indraha. Ravindraha. Then Ravi, see which vowel is there finally? E. Plus Indraha, starting vowel E. E plus E is equal to E. So the word is Ravindraha. Because when like this question is asked in board exam, generally one part is given, another you have to write. Maybe Purvapad is given and Uttarpad you have to write, or Uttarpad is given and Purvapad you have to write. So better way these rules keep in mind. Then see next, again see here, two rasva or short U. When two rasva U are together, then finally we get dirgha U. Example is given, Bhanu plus Udayaha. Bhanu U, last vowel U, and Udayaha, starting vowel U, and finally we get dirgha U, na? So it is Bhanudayaha. Word understood? Bhanu plus Udayah, Bhanudayah, because Dirgha U we received here with the help of this Sandhi. And here see, Ru is vowel only in Sanskrit. Here also, when two Rasva, Ru are coming together, then we get Dirgha Ru. Example is given, Matru plus Runam. Matru, last or ending vowel, Ru. Plus Runam, starting vowel, Ru. Ru plus Ru is equal to Ru. So, the word is Matrunam. Understood? Then see here. And this is called Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Savarna why? Because the same vowels are there. Understood, no? And finally we get Dirgha vowel. So it is called Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. And now see here. When A and E, first E, Rasva E, these vowels are coming together, then finally we get vowel A. Example, see, actually many examples are there. Gana plus Isha, Gana, last vowel A, and Isha, starting vowel E, or E also, Dirgha E also. Rasva E, if Rasva E is there, then also means the same Ekar only we get. Understood? No, here Dirgha E is there. So Gana plus Isha, Gana last vowel A, Isha starting vowel E. So A plus E is equal to A. So we get the word Ganesha. Understood? Many Pullingam Namani we are knowing. For example, Kalpeshaha, this name is there. Kalpa plus Ishaha. Kalpa ending vowel A and Ishaha starting vowel E. A plus E is equal to A. So Kalpeshaha we are getting. Mayuresha we get Mayuresh, Mayura plus Isha. A plus E is equal to A. Prathamesh we get Prathama plus Isha. A plus E is equal to A. So Prathameshaha. Many names we are getting like this. A plus E is equal to A. Understood? And here see, Lamba plus Udaraha. Lamba see, last vowel, Lamba A, and plus Udaraha, starting vowel U. A plus U is equal to O. We get Okar. Understood, no? So the word we get Lambodaraha. Say Lamba plus Udaraha. A plus U is equal to O. So Lambodaraha. Vruka plus Udaraha. Vrukodaraha. One more example I told. Vruka, last vowel A, and Udaraha, starting vowel U. So Vrukodaraha. Understood? Then see further. Here, when A and A are coming together, finally we get Ai. Example, Sada plus Eva. Sada A. Last vowel A only, na? A. Last vowel and Eva starting vowel A. So, A plus A is equal to Ai. Sada plus Eva is equal to Sadaiva. A plus A is equal to Ai. Sada plus Eva is equal to Sadaiva. Okay. If A is there, here, last vowel, for example, one example I am telling, Eka plus Eka, for example, this Sandhi is there. Then also we get Ekaika only. I only we will get. Understood, no? And here see now, A plus O. When A plus O are coming together, the Sandhi we get au. Example C, Ganga, last vowel Ganga, a, plus ogha, starting vowel o. A plus o is equal to au, no? So Ganga plus ogha, Gangaugha. If a is there, for example here, Ganga is not there, Jala is there, for example, means a is there finally, understood, no? And ogha is there, then also o only we will get. For example, Jala plus ogha, Jalaugha. Understood, no? Then see here, further, properly see. Any confusion should not be there. See this sandhi now. When E plus A are coming together, then the consonant we get Y. Example, see. Karomi. Finally, which vowel is there? Karomi, E. Huh? Plus aham, starting vowel O. E plus A, Y we are getting, na? So the sandhi word is karomyaham. Understood? For example, vahami is there. Yogakshemam vahamyaham. This motto of LIC you are knowing maybe, huh? So vahami plus aham, vahami E plus aham A, E plus A is equal to yo. So we are getting vahamyaham. Understood? Huh? And here see U, short, huh? It is not dirgha. U plus A, when this sandhi is there, swarena saha U or U varjayitva. Understood? No, means here U or U should not be there. Okay? Swarena saha U or U. Swarena means after. For this U is there, na? So again U should not be there here. Here in case of this, huh? Properly see. Khalu U. And here again starting vowel U or U should not be there. Varjayitva. Huh? Swarena saha संयोगेन मम स्थाने व इति वर्णः आयाति. See, खलु U plus etat starting vowel A. So the consonant we get V, and that's why khalu plus etat sandhi word is khalvetat. Understood? Properly see the AV. It is very, very important because sandhi vigraham kuruta, this question is asked in board exam. So better way, properly see the AV. Watch my video. Okay, bye.